And as you've known, we are from different backgrounds. From the youth to the mga cute. Mga cute. No? So why did I decide to do this seminar? Because I give this already to my students from different parts of the Philippines. No? Ang kanugon na what I want daan is that I want to elevate the thinking of Ilonggos to become success-driven. Not only spirituality, we are already good with that. Right? We love the Lord. No, we believe and we have faith in the Lord. But the challenge there is still, despite our faith, gakabilin gyapon. Ang mindset na gakabilin gyapon. No, pigado man tagyapon. Now, who here wants to be abundant in your life? Can I get a hands up? Yan. Ang wala nag-hands up, hindi ni ang tama na, if your hands are not up, this is not the right seminar for you. Now, who here also wants to build better relationships with yourself and other people? Yan, very good, no? Very good.